Hello, my name is Arthur Yurichuk and my partner's name is Isaac Labarge. And for our final project, we decided to recreate the popular game Flappy Bird. To do this, we used the FPGA board hooked up to a keypad and a VGA monitor. On the FPGA board, we have the center switch as the reset button, and on the keypad we have 5 as the interrupt driver so that the bird will fly up. So the goal of this game is to have the bird fly through the pipes. So let's do a little example. So press reset. And you're just hitting 5 so that the bird flies up. Otherwise, the bird will just continually fall down. Such as this. Thank you.